This is the first Pure Cycle that the technician ran with no detergent added. You can see just how sudsy it's up in there. Of course, this was after the technician told us that the Pure Cycle is not for cleaning the washing machine, even though we knew it was, and tried to tell us that was for cleaning the coils. So, let's see if it'll let me pause it, because I don't think it will. Well, I can pause it. Can I actually get... It might be too hot to let me open the door. I guess it is. But, let's see. Yeah, you can see how much is in there. It's a lot of suds. Oh, wait, no, I can open the door. Okay. Just took a second. So, woo, that's teeny. Alright, that is cycle number 1. Let's see just how many cycles it takes. Now, looking, you can see just, if you can see, what the hell you can see in here. Oh, it's hard to see. It's really dirty. This camera is catching it nearly as well as it could, but just trust me. There you go. You can see it's kind of filthy. And let's see if it actually cleans. Okay, I will be checking back with the next one, because I know this one's not gonna finish. Okay, this is Pure Cycle number 2. Same day, nothing has been washed in between, and no detergent has been added. Pure Cycle. You can see there's still a lot of suds. So I'm not sure how well the first Pure Cycle actually cleaned out the suds. You see if it'll let me pause it. So I can take a shot of the inside. Oh, that is very sudsy. Okay. And there's your suds. Woo! Oh, it steamed at hold on. There we go. Keeps trying to steam the camera, but you can see, obviously, it's extremely sudsy. And you can see it's not really doing that good a job of cleaning the inside here. I wish I had laid them show in here better. Oh, I do. Hold on. Pause. Okay, bear with me. It's not easy to record and hold a flashlight at the same time. Gosh, I can't do it. I can't show it. It's filthy though. I'm trying. Oh, this will show it. There you go. You see all that? This is on its second Pure Cycle, where apparently I'm being told I use entirely too much detergent, but yet things are not getting cleaned. Even though I don't use a lot of detergent by any means. I use less than a tablespoon most of the time. There's dirt all up in there. Oh, you can see in here. You can't, it's hard. But just trust me, it's dirty. Okay, we'll run a third one after this and see how that goes. Okay, this is my third recording of running the washing machine on a Pure Cycle with no added detergent. This is 3 times in a row with no added detergent. You can see, still pretty darn sudsy. I don't know how many times I'm supposed to run this before it actually gets clean. That's the Pure Cycle. I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to take a shot of the inside. Wow. Boop. Sorry, it's very steamy. Still like, oh, still steamy. It's a little less sudsy than before. You can see it's still pretty darn sudsy. I do not, and I will repeat this very explicitly, do not use a lot of detergent. In fact, this is my measuring spoon. And I use the small end. See that? You can actually see the detergent still stuck to it. And sometimes, if I'm doing a smaller load, I don't even use that much. I use probably half of that much. So, and even with using that much detergent, again, that's a tablespoon on this side. So, it's like a teaspoon of detergent maybe. Anyhow, even with using that much, I am still rinsing my clothes a minimum of twice, if not 3 or 4 times, to try to get them slightly, get the soap out. So you can see this is 3 times on a heavy duty Pure Cycle, which is extra hot. Low, extra hot. So this, with no detergent, should have definitely have cleaned my washing machine and stopped sudsing by now. And if you look, God, I wish I had better lighting in here. Let me try this. Try the other flashlight, that didn't work. Let's try this one. Oh! You guys are going for a magic ride. Let's see if we can get this thing to work. Maybe not. We can do that. Oh, hold on. I don't light up any more than this. This is what happens when you try to use your husband's tools while you're recording people. I'm sorry. That is really, if that is the brightest it gets, I'm very disappointed in the quality of this light. Well, I guess it'll do the part. You can see 3 washes in. Liner, inside. Look at that. 3 washes. And I go through here all the time and clean this out because it's so nasty. And it still is nasty. But it's just gross and it smells bad. But they're telling me that, I don't know, that it's my fault because I've used way too much detergent. Even though, again, this is with no detergent. And no detergent has been used in hours. So, and again, every time I wash, even with a minuscule amount of detergent, I'm rinsing multiple times. I've tried taking even less and doing like just a couple drops of detergent, but then what happens is my clothes smell horrible. And I was told by the technician when I told him that just to put perfume on my clothes. So that's his solution to my clothes not coming out clean, is put perfume on them. Not really a solution that I'm very into. So, anyhow, that's that. That's 3 washes. I'm going to see what it looks like when it's done and if I'm going to do 4 or not. I'm killing my water and electricity bill, but I'm trying to prove a point. It's not something I'm doing. Bye.